Prairie grass restoration project that we recently funded here in Missouri, 1,000 acres. I collaborate with Environmental Defense, Rudy, and a lot of others on that, and we really look forward to seeing that project move forward.
Smithfield Foundation committed $300,000 to get this project underway, and the idea is that this project will serve as a model that we can use to expand across the landscape.
The RAE is acting as the general contractor, in essence, for lack of a better term, on how do we implement this. Renewable energy in the ecosystem and the wildlife, native grasses and wildflowers meet those three legs of our objectives very well. One of the goals that RAE had was to target those water courses, targeting waterways, targeting water bodies, to emphasize meeting those ecological services. We identified these farms, we identified acreage. We're starting in the uplands. We're trying to affect those ATL lands in the upper part, the upper stretches of those watersheds. Then it became, let's put together, what are we going to put on those acres we identified? This mix, I kind of custom tailored to meet the old 327 with NRCS. That way we could do very little tweaking if there was a program that in the future we want to go into. But also it met some of the habitat needs with milkweeds and the seasonality bloomers for a lot of our pollinators. Okay, but also it was a mix that I thought we could get done for a reasonable rate per acre and get a quality product on the ground. It's a higher grass component than what we put down on Ruckman. To meet the biomass needs, we need to bump up the grass. Our team developed about 4 different scenarios in which we could put in a master plan to convert these areas. I'm hoping to have as close to 1,000 acres as we can by the end of next fiscal, by the end of 19. And then we can evaluate how much more can we get done and hit that 1,000-acre mark. So we're really excited about the progress that we're making.
We're really excited to be a part of this, for monarch, for pollinators, for water quality, for carbon sequestration. And these are all things that are concerned to my organization, and we think this is an excellent model for Missouri and the Midwest to address all those concerns.